Instead, I think I hear the electricians over there. Might be time to go fishing for some new climb tools.
We're not going fishing. We got work to do.
All right, Casey. I'm talking about on the job fishing. Hey, y'all making too much noise down there. What's up, guys? What's up? Got the electricians on the job. What's going on? You heard me? Nice tools.
You seen the hammer?
Should be in here. No, it was right here. Like, not leaving your truck.
No, it was over there.
Hey, let me get the linemen real quick.
Bro, you lost the linemen?
Nah, that's why I'm asking you, because they over there.
They were here. Somebody messing with us, bro?
The fucking HVAC dudes on the roof, man.
Oh.